Have you ever struggled to find truly useful gifts for the gardener or homesteader in your life? Or maybe you're trying to come up with a few ideas to put on your own wish list. Gifts are so much more fun when they're practical and actually help you live the lifestyle that you love. And sometimes gifting can be so hard. It's hard to think of things right when you need them, but then as soon as the holidays end, it's like all the ideas just come floating. So, today I put together a full holiday gift guide for gardeners, chicken keepers, homesteaders, and homemakers. They're all things that I personally love, use regularly, or have on my own wish list this year. And so everything I mention will be linked in the description below. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Audrey Crawford, a lifelong gardener from the Central Valley of California, and this is the Audrey's Little Farm Show, where I take the guesswork out of gardening and help you grow a successful garden one simple step at a time. Or on a day like today, help you plan out your gift guide. So let's start with one of my absolute favorite gardening staples, earth medicine. Earth medicine is a great all purpose fertilizer that works wonderfully in raised beds, containers, in ground beds, or even inside for your houseplants. What I love about it is that it's gentle, so you don't have to worry about burning your plants, and it helps build healthy soil biology by introducing beneficial microbes. So it's not just feeding your plants like many fertilizers do, it's actually feeding your soil, which makes it a wonderful solution long term. It's a great stocking stuffer or super practical gift for any gardener. And honestly, this is one of those things that if you know you're going to need come spring, you might as well stock up now while there are good deals happening. The next great gift idea, and one of my favorite upgrades from this year, are my new metal raised beds. These beds come from a family company here in the USA, and I am obsessed with them. They have a complete kit, so they're really easy to put together. You get everything you need just shipped right to your door. They're significantly more heavy duty than most of the other metal beds you see online, so they're a lot more sturdy. They look a lot nicer, in my opinion. The only thing you have to grab on your own is the wooden tops if you want that finished look, which is actually something we're going to be hopefully getting on our raised beds this week. And so, if you're looking for an amazing big gift for somebody in your life or even just for yourself, this is a great one. And then next, I have absolutely loved my green stock planter. I have plenty of garden space, but being able to have herbs and greens right outside the back door has been amazing. It's kind of wild to me how inconvenient walking just 100 yards to the garden can feel when you're in the middle of cooking dinner and it calls for some fresh herbs. Usually I just end up skipping the fresh herbs because I don't feel like walking down to the garden. And so I got the green stock and I love it. It's on wheels so you can move it around easily, and it's perfect for so many things like lettuce, herbs, and even small flowers. This would be a great gift for gardeners with small yards, patios, balconies, or honestly anyone like me who just wants the access right outside their back door. And now for some simple everyday tools that make wonderful gifts. A few ideas that come to mind include a new harvest basket, a fresh egg basket, garden snips, which are always needed because somehow I always misplace mine, and a seed organizer box. For my seeds, I actually use picture storage organizer boxes, and they have been working incredibly well. They're inexpensive, durable, and they keep everything super tidy. A few of my favorite gardening books, especially for learning and troubleshooting, are Soil Science for Gardeners and The Gardener's Pest Handbook. I have several others that are great books as well, and I have them all linked below in my Amazon book wish list. And now let's shift to a few fun and practical gifts for chicken lovers. Usually, if you garden, you tend to have chickens or vice versa, so I wanted to be sure to mention these here today. So, a few fun gifts would include a cute egg collecting apron, an automatic chicken waterer, nesting herbs, or mealworm treats, which would be more of a gift for your chickens. Or you can go the super practical route and get things that chicken keepers use time and time again, like a good litter scoop, a brush, or a scraper for coop cleaning. These little upgrades make chores easier, and they're gifts that will actually get used. And now let's shift to a bigger investment, and that's a course that I purchased recently called Ditch the Drugstore. I've talked about it a little bit before if you're on my email list, but I am actually allergic to a lot of different medications. So natural medicine has always been something I've been interested in myself and actually have to lean into because I don't have other options. And so I've always loved learning about natural medicine, but suddenly when my son Cooper came along, everything suddenly didn't make sense because I was so worried about harming him, and natural medicine suddenly seemed really hard. And so I invested in this course called Ditch the Drugstore, and it has been absolutely incredible. It gives you so much confidence in using herbs and natural medicines safely and effectively, and it's perfect for anyone wanting to build their own home apothecary. If you're anything like me and you're into natural medicine, you can definitely go down some deep, dark rabbit holes, trying to figure out how much of this and how much of that and which herbs are safe for this person and this person and this cause and that cause. It can be really difficult. And this course literally just walks you through everything you need. If you purchase this course, you'll never do the endless doom scrolling searching for natural remedies again. So if you're interested in your own natural medicine, definitely check out that course. And speaking of herbs, a few great small gifts for the herbalist or anyone who wants to get started would be a good dehydrator, mason jars, labels, bulk herbs, strainers and funnels, or glass amber dropper bottles. These would pair really nicely with the course, and if you want to make a little gift bundle, any of these gifts would be really great. And now for some fun things on my own wish list. So I have always wanted a set of caraway pans for so long, but I just don't have the cabinet space in our current home. So that is definitely on my wish list for when our new home is done. If you've been following along with me on social media, you may have seen the recent photos and videos from our home build that is currently happening. I am extremely excited, and as I speak, they're actually putting up the roof trusses. So it's coming along really quickly, and I can't wait to get moved in the new year. So, with that being said, with a new kitchen and more cabinet space, one of the wish list items I personally have is a set of caraway pans. They're beautiful, they're safer than traditional nonstick pans, and they're just such a great long term kitchen investment. I'm also dying to finally have room for more houseplants. Our current home has very little natural light, so houseplants have been quite the struggle, but I can't wait to fill our new home with lots of new houseplants. I love the greenery. And so if you're looking for a gift, a pretty houseplant or two can make a great gift, especially paired with a cute pot. Another practical gift would be stoneware mixing bowls. They're beautiful, durable, and something you'll use forever. And then another fun idea is a countertop compost bin, not one of the electric ones, but just a simple, pretty bin for collecting scraps before they go out into the compost pile. It would be super useful for gardeners and homemakers. And then here are a few more easy ideas to round things out. So, some things like seed packets or curated seed bundles, a soil blocker, or a canning set. These make great stocking stuffers or gifts for newer gardeners who want to try something new. And now I want to finish with a big one, which is the freeze dryer. If you're listening to this around Black Friday, this is honestly one of the best times of the entire year to buy one. Freeze dryers are an investment, but they open up so many possibilities for preserving your garden harvest, your meat, your dairy, and even full meals. So even if you don't grow your own produce, you can take full advantage of a freeze dryer. It's one of those dream tools that completely transforms your ability to become more self-sufficient. If you've had it on your wish list, this might be the season to finally take the leap. So if you'd like anything I mentioned today, they'll all be waiting for you in the description. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this gave you some fun ideas for your holiday gifting, whether you're shopping for a gardener, a homesteader, a chicken keeper, yourself, or just someone who enjoys being home. I hope there's a gift here for you. Until next time, happy gardening and have a blessed holiday season.